In this video, I'll show you how to connect Supabase to WeWeb. First, sign into your WeWeb account and open the project where you want to connect Supabase as your backend. Next, open the Data section and click Add Data Source. From the list of available integrations, choose Supabase. After that, open your Supabase project and copy your project URL and anon API key. Return to WeWeb, paste these values into the required fields, and save the connection. Now select the tables or collections you want to use and bind the data to your pages and components. You can display records in lists, populate forms, and configure actions to create, update, or delete data directly from your app. Finally, preview your project and test the connection by loading sample data and performing a few actions. Once everything is working correctly, you're ready to continue building your application with Supabase as the backend. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Supabase to WeWeb. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.